This is us on Donner Road. This is Chris.
We're all gonna die!
This is Jen.
That's the lake. Bye.
This is the lake. And that's the guardrail. Those are trees.
This is a bicyclist's ass coming up.
I know. Hold on, we're gonna zoom in. Hold on. What happens if I zoom in while we're moving forward? Oh, that's cool.
You create a time warp.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, I rented a car that color. Couldn't lose it if I tried.
That's still the lake. Those are boats.
That's not we got around it that fast.
Okay, I'm gonna end this
still want a
video.
boat so bad.
I'm gonna end this video and come back later because it is
I
kind
want
of
a
boring.
pontoon boat like that.
That's
On something you just get hammered on.
A little pontoon.
Barbecue in the back of it.
yeah. My cousin sold her lily koi. That's exactly what you love. She started off with a boat like that, but it had had a sleeping quarter underneath. Had areas where you could sit in the front. And we went all over Toronto Lake.
This is nice. We're moving and I actually get a really smooth ride. And I can record.
I can
Unlike when
change-
I'm walking around
I
and
can
I'm
change
taking...
that.
No, don't.
We can go off-road. This is a Jeep.
Here's some bike riders in yellow.
The yellow pack.
The yellow pack. You know, if I back up, it looks like they're not even moving.